Song 13 here. Cheers. Cheers, bitches. Just got back from the gun show, so I'm going to show you what I found, what kind of deals I got. First thing that I got was I got another cold steel all-terrain chopper. 24 bucks. Got this big bitch for $24. That's a damn good deal. The last one that they painted just recently was like 38. So I was happy about that. Let's see. Next thing that I got me some MREs. Department of Defense, United States of America. This one is beef stew. Got it for $5. I got 4 of them for $5. Pin spicy pasta vegetarian for my wife. I also got chili and beans. Chili with beans. I also got beef ravioli in meat sauce. So that's cool. Stay up there, bitch. I also got BX25 Ruger. Got this for 35 bucks. It was a little more than what I like to pay, but it was not too bad. And then when I was leaving, I found another one. My old man who was selling it. 25 bucks for BX25. So I had to snag that one up too. Also, what I got was I got some PMAGS. $11 a piece. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. So I had to get those, no doubt. With tax and everything, it was $60.25. So that's pretty good. I also got, just for my pleasure, a 25mm bullet. It's empty, but it's awesome. It looks good on my my table. And if you don't know about the 25mm, this is the same one that they use in the Bradley tanks. And this is the ammo cans that you use for those, for the Bradleys. Just thought I'd show you, just so you'd know. Anyway, that's what I found at the gun show today. And ammo hasn't really gone down. I seen bricks of 22, but they wanted 65 bucks for a brick. I said hell with that. Even the $100 ones, or $100 round 22 long rifles were going for 20 bucks. I said hell with that. I seen Luger 9mm 50 round boxes going for like 36 bucks. I said hell with that. Hell with that. As you guys know, I did a video last week when I went to Bass Pro Shop. I got 22 long rifles for like $8 for 100 rounds. And I got Luger 9mm, 100 rounds for 26 bucks. So you just gotta shop around. Well, everybody, this is Long 13 here. That's what I found today. Cheers, bitches.